Hey, welcome back to Math with Patrick and Quill. Today is November 30th, and we're solving problem 334 from the Daily Epsilon calendar. And the number on the screen, the fraction, should also be 30 because the answer is supposed to match today's date. So all we really have right here is a fraction, and we're going to reduce the fraction, and it's probably going to be 30. Normally when I reduce fractions, I like to cross off common factors, and so one strategy here would be to factor this denominator. Why not? Let's just do it. Let me rewrite the numerator real quick, and then I can rewrite the denominator. I'm noticing a lot of 10s multiplied. Every single zero that you see is another 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s being multiplied on the bottom. And then 81 is just 9 times 9. So I can write that as 9 squared. Or I could write that as 3 to the power of 4. This way I can cancel some stuff in my numerator. And you know what? Instead of 10 to the power of 4, I'm going to call that 2 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 4. And then here it's pretty clear that the answer is just 30. From 2 to the power of 5 and 2 to the power of 4, we can cross those off and just get a 2. There is an exponent rule that you can use as well if you want. You can subtract these exponents here. 5 minus 4 gives us a 1, and then the exponent of 1 doesn't do anything. Then the same thing happens with 3 and 5. We have 5 threes on top and 4 threes on bottom. And so all but 1 on top cancel. Same thing with the 5s. 2 times 3 times 5 is 30, and we're all done. This is the method that I would recommend for reducing basically any fraction. It is a little bit easier to find factors of the big numbers and then just cross off common factors. It's a little bit harder to multiply everything and get the big numbers because, well, working with big numbers is a little bit harder. Now, this problem is a little bit different because multiplying all the numbers in the numerator isn't that hard. Again, the 2 and the 5 just creates a 10. Since we have 5 of each, we can have 5 zeros representing all of those 5 10s that we're multiplying. And then now we just need to tack on 3 to the power of 5 at the front of this number. And that's going to be 3, 9, 27, 81, and then 243. This is 3 to the power of 5. So this is another way to solve it. We could have just multiplied all the stuff in the top out and then kept the bottom the same. We can notice that basically all of these zeros cancel with all of those. It's like I'm crossing out those 4 10s in the top and bottom. And then finally, if we do 243 divided by 81, we get 3, and this times 10 comes along for the ride. So that's also a totally fine way to answer this problem. Either way, we get 30. That's today's date, and we're all done. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in December. Bye.